All right. All right, we got this old tire here from a generator that's been sitting in my shed for a couple years. It's been flat for several years now. It's completely dislodged. The bead is off on both sides, completely loose. This is the way I like to do it. I find this the easiest way for me. I take a strap around because, like, if you were just to try to hook this up, you can never apply the right amount of pressure to get the beads to set on there. So I just take a strap and go around, and what you end up doing is you're putting the pressure to the middle towards the middle of the tire, which then forces the beads to the outside on the rim. And sometimes it takes a couple different maneuvers. So on larger tires, sometimes I've done, like, 3 straps at the same time. You try to force it in the best you can. I'm going to reposition this more in the center. Hook it up to your inflator, turn it on, and then you feel around and listen for any loose spots, and you apply pressure that way, or you give a little more crank on the ratchet strap. And then, like on bigger ones, sometimes you'll have a strap over here, like if you can never get this side down. See how it's distorting it this way? Okay, we got it. That's it. Now just make sure that you don't keep going with the strap on. Once you know you got it seated, take the strap off and finish it up to your proper pressure. That's it.